How to diagnose the pressure of a CNC press brake. This is a whole hydraulic valve. If you need to measure the pressure, this is the pressure measurement port. We prepare a pressure gauge and a pressure test fitting. First, remove the cap. Connect the pressure test fitting. And once the connection is complete, we can check whether the press brake has pressure and observe the process of pressure increase. This is a Rexroth hydraulic valve. First, locate the pressure measurement port. This is the pressure test port of the Rexroth hydraulic valve. Remove the cap. Connect the pressure test fitting. And once the connection is complete, now we can diagnose the press brake's pressure in different systems. How the ESA system tests whether the pressure valve can output the specified pressure. First, start the oil pump. The green light turns on. After the oil pump starts, click Menu. Click Menu again. Click 3, Diagnose. Click 5, Test Menu. Then enter the password 851414. Confirm and enter the diagnostic interface. Scroll down the status bar. Click Valve Enable. At this point, you can test the corresponding voltage given to the pressure valve for a certain percentage of pressure. We can input 1.5 volts for the given voltage. Confirm, then start and observe the pressure gauge reading. We can then increase the voltage to 5 volts. Start again and observe whether the pressure increases. We can also input 7 volts. When at 75% of the pressure, we give 7 volts and see how much pressure can be obtained. This allows us to judge whether the hydraulic system of the press brake can output pressure normally. How the Delem system tests whether the pressure valve can output the specified pressure. First, still start the oil pump. The green light turns on. To test the pressure, you need to enter diagnostic mode. Click the password lock, enter the password 32157 and confirm. Click Machine to enter the maintenance log. Click Diagnostic Mode. And after confirmation, enter I/O test and offset adjust. If it is a servo main motor, you first need to set a pump speed, that is the motor rotation speed. Increase to 5V. Increase the pressure valve deflection value. And at this point, you will be able to observe changes in the pressure gauge reading. If it is a normal motor, there is no pump speed option. Directly input the dA value in pressure, valve deflection, continuously increasing by 140 dA. And then see the pressure changes on the pressure gauge. How the Cybelec system tests whether the pressure valve can output the specified pressure. Press and hold to start the oil pump. The oil pump has started. Click Menu. Click Other menus. Click Service. Click Machine Parameters. Enter the password 333 and confirm. Scroll down to page 25. Click the magic wand. Scroll down to page 3. Here we test the press brake pressure. This is the corresponding pressure valve output for a given pressure percentage. Enter the given voltage to the pressure valve. Increase the given voltage and observe the pressure gauge reading. Or you can directly input a value. When the pressure percentage is 25%, the voltage is 5.3 volts. Input 5.3 volts and observe the pressure gauge reading. When the pressure percentage is 50%, the voltage is 6.2 volts. Enter 6.2 volts and observe the pressure gauge reading again. In this way, we can check whether the hydraulic system of the press brake is working normally. After testing is complete, click Stop and the voltage will return to its normal state.